Namaste, good morning students. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on psychology concept or branches of psychology, which is from the course Psychology of Learner Learning and for the program BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed third semester. So students, in last class we have discussed about the some psychological concept like that psychology is the study of soul, you know that, which means that the study of mind, and the study of mind is means the study of consciousness of a particular person. So students, you know that in our psychology, a science which aims to give us better understanding and control of the behavior of the organisms as a whole, science of human behavior. In it also we can consider that science of behavior or a scientific study of behavior of human activities and human experience. This also include in the psychology. And there are various branches of the psychology. As psychology is the very wide area, we can take example as wide as the depth of an ocean. So there are branches some like abnormal psychology, general psychology, behavioral psychology. Next we can take as a biological psychology, cognitive psychology, comparative psychology, cross cultural psychology, or developmental psychology, educational psychology, experimental psychology, forensic psychology, health psychology, personality psychology, and social psychology. So one by one we take all in short. In our B.Ed program, they are basically developmental psychology and education psychology. We deal in from the both branches. Now abnormal psychology is that study of unusual pattern of behavior. If we observe an unusual pattern from the children, then this is called the abnormal psychology. In general psychology, this is the study human development, emotions, motivation, how they learning, what senses they have, what perception and what they think, what about their memory, and how intelligent they are and how they process. That particular points we discuss in general psychology. Now come to the behavior psychology. This behavior psychology is a study of behavior of a living organism, and that living organisms can anyone in the living world. Now next is psychology, biological psychology. Students, behavior neuroscience, you know that, also known as biological psychology. Biopsychology or psychobiology is the application of the principles of biology to study of the psychological, genetic and developmental mechanism of behavior in human and non-human animals. We study in biology process. Next come to the cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology means संज्ञानात्मक, जो आपका मनोवैज्ञानिक प्रोसेस है, उसमें हम पढ़ते हैं द स्टडी ऑफ मेंटल प्रोसेस सच एज अटेंशन, लैंग्वेज यूज, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज वी आर यूजिंग, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मेमोरी वी हैव, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग skills we have or not, creativity, what creativity this particular person possess, and how we are thinking and how we act. This study is done in the cognitive psychology. Next we come further go to the comparative psychology. So students, in comparative psychology, this refers to the scientific study of behavior and mental process of non-human animals, especially as these relate to the psychogenetic history, adaptive significance, and developmental of the behavior. Now next come to the next branch, our cross-cultural psychology. This cross-cultural psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental process, including both their variability and invariance under diverse culture conditions. Next, come to the developmental psychology. This is a very important psychology for our course. This is the study of changes that occur in human beings over the course of their lifespan. मतलब पूरी लाइफ टाइम, मतलब स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द इन्फेंसी स्टेज से लेकर पूरा ओल्ड एज तक की जितनी भी ग्रोथ है एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस है, वो सारा का सारा हम स्टडी करते हैं इन डेवलपमेंटल साइकोलॉजी. हाउ आवर बॉडी रिएक्ट according to our age, how we react according to our age, how we behave. Now in education psychology, we can say this is the branch of psychology concerned with the scientific study of human learning. तो किस तरह से इंसान स्टेज बाय स्टेज, एज बाय एज अपनी मेमोरी उसकी डेवलप होती है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे वो क्या सीखता है, किस तरह से वो लर्न करता है, सोसाइटी में कैसे बिहेव करे. दैट टाइप studies deal in the education psychology. Now come next, experimental psychology. So students, in that the branch of psychology concerned with the scientific investigation of the responses of individual to stimuli in controlled situation. This called the education psychology. Next come as the forensic psychology. So students, forensic psychology is the intersection between psychology and the justice system. You know very well in the when the CBI forensic report is done, then that particular type of test is done in that forensic psychology. Now health psychology is the study of psychological and behavior process in health, illness and health care. Next is personality psychology. Personality psychology is a branch of psychology that studies personality and individual difference, कि हर एक इंसान में क्या डिफरेंस है, किस तरह की उनकी पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप हुई है, किस तरह का उनका एक्सपीरियंस है, वो ऐसा बिहेव क्यों करते हैं. दैट टाइप ऑफ स्टडी. Its areas of focus include constructing a coherent picture of a person and his or her major psychological process, investigating individual differences, that is how people can differ from one another. This deals with the personality psychology. Now next come to the social psychology. Students, this is the branch of psychology that deals with social interaction, including their origins and their effects ऑन द इंडिविजुअल. मतलब हम सोसाइटी में कैसा बिहेव करते हैं, किस तरह का हमारा इंटरेक्शन है पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के साथ, हम किस तरह से इफ़ेक्टिव परफॉर्मेंस शो कर सकते हैं कि इंडिविजुअल पर्सन पर हमारा कितना रोल है सोसाइटी में प्ले अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए. दैट टाइप ऑफ स्टडी इज़ कॉल्ड सोशल साइकोलॉजी. सो स्टूडेंट, दीज वर सम branches of psychology. I think you all understood about these branches. Thank you.